Oh, we're sat in this very nice motorhome, and we're having a quick word with the Caravan Radio guys. And right now, I'm going to introduce the one and only. Here he is. It's Spencer Cork. He has a radio show on Caravan Radio between 1 and 4 weekdays, and they call it the Check-In.
They do.
So, come on, tell me all about it.
Well, the Check-In is for anybody who has a motorhome or caravan. It's specifically for the caravan and motorhome community. And we broadcast 24 hours a day, bringing you all the information, top tips, ideas, helpful advice for people who maybe are starting out first time in caravaning or have been doing it for years. There's always something new to learn when it comes to the great outdoors.
So Spencer, how do people get to listen to Caravan Radio? Can you get it on your, say, your smart speaker like an Alexa?
You can. All you've got to do is ask Alexa to play Caravan Radio and she'll sort that out for you. But you can also find us online, caravanradio.co.uk, and on most of the usual smart speakers and radio apps.
Okay, and I noticed the other day you have another presenter now on a Saturday morning.
Ray Atkinson, yes, Ray's here every Saturday morning from 10 through to 1. Again, a slice of life for the caravan and motorhome community. Great bit of fun, wicked sense of humour. Yeah, something for everybody on Caravan Radio.
And what are your plans down here, down at the NEC in Birmingham?
Well, this is my second trip to the NEC Birmingham. It's always good to see all the latest new models, especially for 2025. Yeah, sport for choice really, but for us it's just a little trip around the site, the amazing 5 halls of motorhomes, caravans, here camping this particular month as well. Yeah, just taking a feel for what's available for this year.
And I've also noticed you have a show between 6 and 9 in the evenings, and I keep hearing this guy called Stu Bear.
Yes, now that is the Caravan Radio Listeners Club. The Caravan Radio Listeners Club originated on Facebook. It's a Facebook group, so if you're on Facebook, then do join up to the Caravan Radio Listeners Club. But what we've done is we've taken the Facebook group and popped it on the radio. So yeah, you can listen 6 till 9 weeknights, and also on a Saturday evening from 6 till 9 as well.
Well, we'll certainly check.
And with your good self.
And of course,
Stu
my
Bear.
good self, Stu Bear. So you can hear this my voice is very gravelly at the moment, but hopefully it will improve for the next session. Well, thank you very, very much. And hey, keep on watching the rest of the videos that we've got right down here. And of course, keep on listening to Caravan Radio.
Thank you, Stu Bear.
Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. Welcome to the Travelling Bear with me, Stu Bear, along with Teresa and our adorable pup Jasmine. Join us as we explore fantastic locations around the UK and Europe in our motorhome, providing you with grid references, detailed information, stunning drone footage, and much, much more. So please subscribe and enjoy the ride right here on the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear.